Hi students, so I am Priyansu. I will talk about our chapter 4 pairs of linear equation in two variables. So on the 26th March our mathematics exam and as previously I am talking all the important questions chapter wise. So in this chapter 4 I will tell you the most important question from 2014 to 2024. Whatever the important question, it's already come in your board exams. Every important question is in this chapter. Okay, so let's see this. So don't miss this video from starting to end. You have to watch this video. Okay, so let's come. So here, which is the important question, I mark that question from red pen, and the question for the practice I mark with the blue pen. Okay, so like the first question is very important because it can come in your 1 marks, or you can say it is a bit 20 paper for the bits. So in that it have chances it will come. Okay, like question number 2 also. Okay, there is a, I will give some question for the practice here. You have to practice that. Like I don't practice the third one. Fourth one is not necessary, I think. Fifth one you have to practice, and sixth one you can practice, which are the following is a linear pair. Seventh one you can practice, and well, this is important, eighth one, because in this one definitely the it come in your 4 marks. So and 2 marks and 4 marks, definitely one question come in this from 2 or 4 marks. Okay, right. So this is also you can practice because it have chances it can come in 2 marks or 4 marks. Okay, right. So let's come, this is graphically method, so this is differently 7 marks. 7 marks confirm in this one, 7 marks it confirm, and 11th one 7 marks or 4 marks it can come. Actually the weightage of this chapter is 12. Okay, between 8 to 12, the weightage of this chapter is between 8 to 12. So that's why I'm telling that the question whatever I am showing you, you can practice this question, you getting a good marks. A single question cannot you can leave from this chapter if you practice this. Okay, so practice this is a very important questions. Okay, I will not tell you to practice the 12th one and 13th one, but 13th one is once did this. The question is telling check whether the pairs of linear equation this and this are parallel or intersecting line. Actually, you have to check this question is parallel or intersecting. So actually, I don't think it will come in your 2025 examination. But if you have a think like you have also like idea, yeah, that can go and that have chance that question will also come. So like this is my experience as I'm telling, and you have also been experienced like no this question will not come, this question will wrong. Okay, like so apart from this the 14 question will become. So you have a, if you have a like full of confidence, yeah, definitely the 13 will come or 14 will come, you can choose that question also. Okay, whatever question I'm telling you, that is the important that can come. Okay, in that one whatever I'm telling you, definitely 1 or 2 will become, because 12 8 to 12 marks definitely cover from this chapter, and 8 or 12 marks question I'm telling you. But if you think the 13 and 14 also come, you can practice. Okay, don't think the sir is telling or whatever your brother is telling this then you can practice. Okay, don't think like this. Okay, so let's see this one. The 16 one is important. Okay, 16 one is very important, and 7 times of the digit. 17 one I will not talk about this, and I will also not talk about that one. But once you practice this, once practice, but I'm not telling you to it will come. Okay, and I will not sure about 91 and 21 also, but I'm definitely sure about 21, 22. Okay, and 24. Okay, this questions are very comfortably, you can practice these questions. This is very important questions. Okay, so next chapter is quadratic, so we will talk about whatever the important question of quadratic I will tell you. So in this chapter, these chapters from this chapter, these are the very important. So actually in this one graphical method is very important. Actually, well, if you know the 3 chapter in the polynomials, the graphical method is very important in polynomials, but here subtraction method is very important in this chapter. In third chapter graphical method is important. In the fourth chapter the subtraction method, multiplication method is important. And one more thing, it have also graphic is also important, graphical method. So you can practice the graph, and that's one. Our subtraction method you can practice. So if you practice third and fourth chapter, definitely you can square 18. 18 is enough. So you must have to practice the first. If you have a big student, you have to practice first chapter, and third chapter and fourth chapter. You must have to practice. In this chapter you will get 30. 30 is enough. Definitely 30. If it is not 30, then 25 is confirmed from these chapters. Okay, so I hope it is clear. If you think any student who is big and in your classroom, so you can send this video to that boy, and otherwise you can explain to them. Okay, I hope it is very useful to you, and we will meet our next video.